The Tesla Model S instrument cluster, located behind the steering wheel, serves as the central control hub for navigation, vehicle information, and autopilot features. However, this essential screen can sometimes experience problems including a completely black display, freezing during operation, or failing to reboot properly. These issues are commonly caused by software glitches in the operating system, hardware faults in the display components, or environmental factors such as extreme temperatures. Tesla has addressed many of these problems through over-the-air software updates, which can automatically fix glitches and improve stability. These issues still occur more frequently in older Model S vehicles built before 2021. In the following sections, we'll guide you through troubleshooting steps and potential fixes to resolve these instrument cluster issues. Black screen or frozen issues usually stem from one of a few key causes. Software crashes can occur due to glitches in Tesla's operating system, especially during updates. Hardware failures, like faulty capacitors or ribbon cables within the cluster itself, can be exacerbated by heat. Finally, power issues such as a low 12 volts auxiliary battery can also lead to these problems. Identifying the cause is the first step to fixing it. Before trying more complex fixes, start with a soft reboot. This method resets the instrument cluster without shutting down the entire vehicle, making it a safe first step for resolving minor software glitches. To perform a soft reboot, locate the scroll wheels on your steering wheel. These are the round buttons on either side used for controlling volume and other functions. Hold down both scroll wheels simultaneously. Press and hold them for about 5 to 10 seconds. You'll feel them depress, and the instrument cluster will respond. After holding for 5 to 10 seconds, the screen will go black momentarily as the instrument cluster resets. It should then restart automatically, displaying the Tesla interface again. This soft reboot often resolves black screen issues or freezing caused by temporary software glitches. If the problem persists, you may need to try a hard reset or check for updates. Always perform this while the vehicle is safely parked. If the soft reboot doesn't work, try a hard reset. First, safely park your Tesla and shift into park. Press and hold down the brake pedal while simultaneously pressing and holding the power button, the Tesla logo on the touchscreen, for about 30 seconds. Then, release both and wait for the system to restart. This is a more thorough reset than the soft reboot. Tesla frequently releases software updates that address bugs and improve system stability. These over-the-air updates are crucial for preventing instrument cluster issues like black screens or freezing. To receive these updates automatically, ensure your Model S is connected to Wi-Fi. The vehicle will download and install updates in the background when parked. You can also manually check for updates on the main touchscreen. Navigate to Settings, then select Software Update to see if new versions are available. Keeping your software current prevents many instrument cluster problems. Updates often include specific fixes for display stability and performance. The 12-volt auxiliary battery in your Tesla Model S powers essential accessories like the instrument cluster, lights, and sensors when the main high-voltage battery is not active. A weak or failing 12-volt battery can cause various issues, including black screens, freezing, or failure to reboot on the instrument cluster. To check if the 12-volt battery is the issue, you can monitor its voltage through the Tesla app. Navigate to Controls, then Service, and check the battery voltage reading. This helps identify if it's low and needs attention. Alternatively, schedule a service appointment at a Tesla supercharger or service center for a professional inspection and potential replacement if needed. Tesla's warranty often covers 12-volt battery issues in eligible vehicles. Maintaining a healthy 12-volt battery is crucial for your Model S's proper functioning. Keep it charged by driving regularly. Avoid extreme temperatures that can drain it quickly, and perform regular checks through the app to prevent cluster problems. If you've tried the troubleshooting steps and your instrument cluster is still not working, it's time to contact Tesla service. Especially if your vehicle is under warranty, repairs may be covered at no cost through Tesla's comprehensive warranty program. Attempting to fix hardware issues yourself could void your warranty, so it's best to leave it to the professionals. Tesla offers various service options, including service centers, mobile teams, and even fixes at superchargers. For warranty coverage details, Tesla provides extensive support through their website and app. Check your specific model year and mileage to confirm eligibility for free repairs on instrument cluster issues. Proactive maintenance can prevent most instrument cluster issues in your Tesla Model S. Regular reboots and staying current with software updates are key steps. These simple steps prevent 90% of cluster problems. Avoid extreme temperatures and keep your 12-volt battery charged to maintain reliability. Looking ahead, Tesla is enhancing cluster reliability through software improvements and hardware advancements in future models. By staying informed and taking these preventative measures, you can minimize instrument cluster issues with your Model S.